In Brussels, it rains a lot, as you can see, and it can come out of nowhere. You have to watch the Weather Channel probably, but there is literally no places where you can just randomly stop by and hide yourself under some covered public space. And the only kind of things you can lean on or hope to get a little bit of a hidden spot, it's something like this one over here, or maybe these little places like over here. You see, this is our safe zone, or maybe you can hope on that little balcony over here. Otherwise, you're but you know how they say, ha ha ha, you're not made out of sugar. Ho 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 ho.